Okay, so in this first video what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you how to copy and paste information from one document to another. So I have a blank document here, and in this one here I have an example of a letter. So if I wanted to copy some of this information over, I would hold my left mouse button and highlight the text. I would then right click and click the copy option here. That's going to copy what I've highlighted. I would then go onto my new document, right click again, and here I have paste options. Now we have various options, but the one that we want is the one on the right, which is keep text only. I'm going to click that, and there you go. So that's how you're going to copy and paste information from one document to another.